Greetings on my magical channel. There is a new kitten in my cattery. She lives with us just for a few months and she is adorable. She really likes to be stroked and she is super nice and tender. She often snuggles on our legs, likes to sleep near us and purrs so loudly. Yep, even when she is asleep. Probably you saw her in my videos. She is that little beast of a bright red color with hellish eyes as of Sauron's. Her favorite place is the top section of a cat condo where she fools around or does something funny. Especially when I shoot videos. As soon as she joined the cattery, she started to sneeze and I just couldn't understand why, because she was just alright at her previous home. Imagine how upset I was, as sneezing might be a common thing, as well as dangerous. You might think that I'm exaggerating, but everything is different with pets. Even a slight change in the usual behavior means a lot. So, here's the first reason of sneezing: dust. If your home is not cleaned up regularly and there are dusty places like under sofa or bed or any other furniture, your cat could have a normal reaction to dust. It simply irritates the sensitive cat's nose. Personally, I don't have lots of such places, and usually my cats cannot get under or behind them. Cats like to explore every bit of their home, so it's really important to get your place ready for them. Therefore, try to thoroughly clean up your place and see if it helps. If not, here's the second reason: detergents and cleaning products. Keep in mind that cat's nasal mucosa is a really sensitive thing, which could be easily irritated or even damaged. They also have allergies. An allergy to detergents or cleaners is a common thing. I myself use floor detergents, but in general my cats don't have access to domestic chemicals. Pay attention to where your cat sneezes and try to keep domestic chemicals out of reach. The third reason is mold spores. Mold is dangerous, both for humans and animals, especially for such curious little things as cats. Get rid of a mold, as it easily could get into your cat's lungs and nose. As soon as it's in, it starts to affect an organism, and sneezing is one of the first symptoms for that. The fourth reason: illness. It could be a cold or something more serious, as calicivirus or herpes virus. In case your cat starts to be less active, its behavior changes, it has runny nose and watery eyes, go to your vet immediately. Even if your cat is vaccinated and it lives indoors, it might get infected. As I always say, it's better safe than sorry. The fifth reason is polyps. Polyps are common in cats, and at first they look like a cold. Vets use various methods to diagnose polyps and remove them surgically. The sixth reason, but you won't believe, is a baby teeth losing. Yep, cats have baby teeth too, and they lose them as well as we do. Usually it starts at the age of 4 months. It could be earlier or later though. A kitten starts to gnaw through things, might have increased salivation, rubs its nose with a paw, and even starts sneezing. Which of these had my kitten? I asked myself a similar question and paid lots of attention to her health condition and behavior. I was highly concerned, as she was gifted to me by the breeder directly. So imagine how uneasy I felt. A cute little being is trusted to me, and it falls ill in my hands. The kitten, her name is Jamala by the way, acted as usual and had no other symptoms. I checked her mouth for any signs of infection and found nothing. To make sure she is not allergic to a floor detergent, I just stopped using it. I noticed that she sneezes when jumps on the bed and sniffs on a bed cover or pillows. Additionally, every time I rubbed her belly or back, she started growling and then sneezing. I thought it was due to dust. Anyway, I checked her mouth again, and this time I saw new teeth growing. And it strikes me that perhaps this is the reason. So, I kept observing, and after a while, the breeder asked me if Jamala sneezes. That moment I was like, sneezing? Oh yeah, and checked the kitten's mouth again. As you have probably guessed, there was no trace of baby teeth, and she stopped sneezing. I would like you to know that I know habits of my cats, and it's always easy to understand when something is not okay. I make a full check if necessary. Ears, mouth, fur, eyes, mucous color, and of course, buds. So, if you notice something wrong with your cat, it's always better to get it to a trustworthy vet. Ensure a safe environment for your cat and take into account its state of health. Share your stories in comments. Hit like and subscribe to meet me in next videos. Now